Good morning, you guys. Today is a very exciting day. Today I'm gonna be building a PC, a gaming PC with my best friend. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So we went to Micro Center yesterday, and I'm gonna be leaving to go to her apartment soon. I did get this monitor yesterday. It's an Alienware 32-inch 4K gaming monitor. So that is where I'm gonna be gaming on, and then I'm gonna set up our office area, because right now I game on my Xbox in our basement, and it's kind of scary and cold down there. So unless I can find a way to like make it nice down there for gaming, I'm just gonna be setting up in here. So yeah, I'm excited. So come along with me. I don't know, because so it is currently 7:30. I am leaving my friend's apartment. We did not get done building our PCs. It's taken a long time, guys. Like, I didn't think it'd be this stressful, but it is. So we started at 12. Like, I got here around 12, and that's when we kind of started. And then we took like an hour and a half to 2-hour trip to Micro Center because I needed to get a keyboard and a mouse, and then my friend also needed to get a new mouse. So that is what took up some of our time. And then we just had one screwdriver between the two of us. So we would like help each other with one part of the build with the one screwdriver, and then the other one would get help. So it was just like, it's going slow, but I'm gonna go back over either tomorrow or Tuesday and then finish the build, test it, make sure everything runs smoothly, and then hopefully carefully transporting it to my house without it breaking. So yeah, that is day one of the PC build, and I will see you guys next time tomorrow. I mean, for you, it'll be instantaneously, but it'll be a while for me. So, bye. Press it. Okay.
That's gonna do anything.
Katie. Oh my god.
Well, everything's fine now. That's a good sign.
Oh, the fans are going. Okay, I didn't even, oh wow. Ooh, that's good. Wow. It's not going to the I realized I forgot to make an ending video, so I am editing my video and gonna record the end. So yeah, everything is working. I brought my PC home last night. It made the trip safely from my friend's apartment to my house, so we are good. Windows has been installed. It works great. I've downloaded all the drivers and chipsets, whatever, all that needed for my GPU. And yeah, everything works, and we're gonna be gaming tonight because it's Thursday. It's my favorite day of the week. And yeah, I'm like really proud that my friend and I were able to build this. Like, it took a long time, a lot of stress, and I feel like the first day it was stressful, and we were like very careful because we're like, oh my gosh, we don't want to like mess anything up. And then by like the second day, I was like, it's fine. Like, I was just like doing what I needed to do, and sometimes not looking at directions and just doing what felt right, and it turned out great. So lots of YouTube videos later, and here we are with the PC, and yeah, I'm excited. I will be streaming with my new PC, so I have a Twitch, and I'll leave it down below, and a TikTok. So if you guys want to check that out and see what games my friend and I play, like, follow it, please. But yeah, me and my friend did a similar build. She has a different motherboard than I do. But basically everything that we have is the same, just she has a white build and I have a black build. So I will try to include a picture of her build as well. Hers is really cool. So yeah, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't a very instructional video because like I didn't know how to put a PC together. I was just kind of taking you along with me and doing a little bit of a vlog. So don't come to my page asking how to do stuff because I don't know. I just looked up a lot of YouTube videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.